Hey everyone, my name is Louie and welcome to my channel, Louie Ventures, where we explore the world of travel, credit card rewards, and personal finance. If you're passionate about maximizing your credit card points and miles, travel, and mastering your finances, you're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to explore the world of credit card rewards, my goal with this channel is to provide you with actionable tips and insights to help you maximize your points and miles. Imagine booking that dream vacation for a fraction of the cost, or even for free. It's all possible with the right strategies. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what to expect from this channel and a sneak peek into some of the exciting content that's coming your way. Here's what you can look forward to. First, we'll be discussing maximizing credit card points, so tips and tricks to earn more points, the best credit cards for travelers, and how to maximize your credit card reward points. Second, we'll be discussing all things travel-related content. I'll share my experiences traveling to various destinations around the world, finding the best deals on flights and hotels, and how to travel luxuriously on a budget. And third, we'll also be discussing personal finance tips, so practical advice on budgeting, saving, and investing to help you fund your travels and secure your financial future. I'll also be giving you a behind-the-scenes look at how I plan and strategize my trips and answering any questions you might have in the comment section down below. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an update. To kick things off, in my next video, I'll be doing a brief overview of what's in my wallet for the third quarter of 2024 to hopefully give you guys some ideas or inspiration for credit cards that might be able to provide some value for you. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I'm super excited to build a community of fellow travel and finance enthusiasts, and let's make travel more affordable and enjoyable together. Remember to like this video, leave a comment below with your biggest travel dream, and share this channel with your friends who love to travel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.